So OnePlus has officially revealed the design of the OnePlus 12 ahead of the phone's December 4 China launch. The device looks a lot like its predecessor with a massive circular camera island dominating the back of the phone. However, OnePlus has made one major change. According to the company, the alert slider on the OnePlus 12 will now reside on the left of the phone instead of the right. Yes, OnePlus says this change allows the company to accommodate a new integrated antenna to deliver enhanced gaming performance. According to OnePlus, after conducting their own tests, they discovered that the best place for gaming antennas is right between the user's forefingers when holding the phone in landscape mode. However, this space is currently occupied by the alert slider on the OnePlus 11. In order to have improved gaming antennas on the OnePlus 12, OnePlus suggests moving the alert slider to the other side of the phone. They mentioned this in a press release. The company mentions that it is utilizing two cutting-edge technologies, an ultra-compact full-band antenna technology and an industry-first alert slider antenna integration technology. This is to reduce the amount of space taken by the alert slider. OnePlus has also confirmed the official colors of the upcoming OnePlus 12. The phone will come in three colors: white, green and black. These colors will likely be the official ones for the Chinese market. It's not clear whether the global variant of the phone will have the same options. Not only that, OnePlus is also working on a special edition of the OnePlus 12. Yes, OnePlus has always had fun experimenting with different texture for the back of its phones. And it seems the OnePlus 12 is bringing something unexpected to the table. According to Digital Chat Station, the upcoming flagship smartphone will be available in one version that will have a wooden texture back. But it is still not known and the pictures itself sure doesn't help make things clear either. It is also up for a debate if it's going to be an actual wood or just plastic or glass or another material made to mimic wood texture. The OnePlus 12 is going to be the most amazing OnePlus phone to date. The company has made some really impressive enhancement to their upcoming device. The OnePlus 12 camera system has an impressive feature that sets it apart: the integration of the latest Sony's Litia LYT-808 sensor. This incredible sensor is a massive 50 megapixel 1 by 1.4 inches and utilizes cutting-edge double-layer transistorized pixel technology. With this tech, mobile photography is about to experience a whole new level of greatness. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.